All right. Welcome back, gentlemen, to the Bitcoin market update. Today is December 29th, 2019. We're getting near the end there. Let's jump into the markets. BTC USD on the 1 day for Coinbase is $7,350 currently. As far as the chart is concerned, I'm loving it. Like McDonald's, I'm loving it. Yeah, this is cool. I like this. This uptick right here in the volume is great. Now, I need continuation, and I believe I'm going to get it. If you look over on the 1 hour chart, we have a bullish hidden divergence, which is all right down here. And what we're looking for is for it to continue to the upside. Just a bit of recovery here and then rolling on up a little higher. Okay, so that's Bitcoin, BTC, USD. Stay in it, looking good. LTC, BTC for you guys in the KG2 trade. Let's jump back to the daily and take a look. Yeah, the daily is still staying. Stay in it. It's looking good. We're holding above that 20-day moving average. Looking nice and sharp. Got a lot of time left on this candle, so I'm not too concerned about this downtick. We're going to see how it plays out. But so far, so good. Looking great. LTC, BTC, I would stay in it for now. Litecoin USD is at $42.85. Looking bullish. I like it. Stay in it. Looking real good. Oh, yeah. Living strong above that 9 and 20-day moving average. How about ETH BTC on the 1 day for Coinbase? Ethereum, Bitcoin, stay in it. What? Stay in it, you say? Wait a minute. We haven't had that call yet. Today came up strong. I like this. Ooh, Ethereum doing well. I really do like this. All right, so here's what we'll do. We got a really bold move right here with the open, and we got the open below, but then the close really strong up ahead. I think we're going to push for this 20-day moving average. I'm going to say get in it right now. Boom. Lock it down here. That looks good. And ETH is now a buy. Looking good. ETH BTC looking like a buy today on the 29th. Now, the 30th is inbound. We'll see what happens here. But for tomorrow, we'll see how this candle closes. I hope it doesn't close lower. But yeah, I like this. This was a very good power move. It's funny because every coin will do this to you. It'll say, doesn't look like a buy, doesn't look like a buy, the bam, it's like, whoa, this is awesome. This looks really good. This is a good time. And get in it. So yeah, ETH BTC, I love it. ETH USD is looking the same. I like this. This is a power move. Man, I like the power move. That's sweet. That's really awesome. I love when the market just kicks the door in and gets above moving averages. This is great. I'm going to put the ETH USD on a buy also. Very good. Okay, let's save this chart real quick and jump into Tezos BTC. It's not a buy yet. Stay out of it. Really not liking how it's just lived so far below the 9 and could continue that way, maybe even down to the Kumo cloud. We'll see. Stay out of it. XTZ USD at $1.32. Stay out of it. It was at 186 and now it's at 132. Yeah, I lost a little bit of value there. Okay, stay out of it. Bitcoin Cash BTC still strong. We're still staying in it. This has been a really beautiful chart, man. I love this. We're still staying in it from this buy here on the 27th. So we'll see what it does. How about Bitcoin Cash USD? $211. Stay in that one. Also looking really good. We're battling now for the 50. Bulls want to take charge over the 50. I think they can. I think they could push all the way to the Kumo cloud, which would be fantastic. It's at $211. I think it could push all the way to 231. So that's where I look at things right now. Ethereum Classic BTC is whoa. Did we get our buyback on the 9? No, we didn't. And it pushed higher today. Holy moly. Look, the 200-day moving average is holding. That's what the bulls are telling us. This is holding. I still want to see a pullback on the 9. So this sticks. It's still a sell to me. Unless, like, I'm staying out of it. I still think it needs a pullback to at least the 9. I like the 200-day moving average touch, but yeah, I'm not convinced. Okay, Ethereum Classic USD at $4.60. Also doing the same thing. I'm looking for that buyback on the 9. It's gotta come. It's gotta be here. Gotta be here. Getting some chop. This is not good. Chop is no bueno. You get a little chop and it gets sloppy and then it dumps on you. So be careful. I'm just warning you on that one. I have seen that happen in the past. XRP BTC. Stay out of it. XRP USD $19. I'm sorry, 19 cents, 19.5 cents. It did close above. I'm gonna wait. I'd rather wait on this. I don't want to. Yeah, I'm not interested. It's close. We did get a close above the 9, but if it was closer to the 20-day, I'd be a lot more interested in it. But yeah, I'm not there yet. I'm not there. I could be a fan though. I'm telling you, I could be. All right, let's zoom into this EOS BTC. Let's see what that looks like. Still in it, looking good. We had a great day today. Just got our new candle a little bit ago, and yeah, we could see some upside potential to these areas up here. But yeah, I'm still staying in it. I think that's a good call. EOS USD is at $2.69. Also a stay in it situation. Battling that 50-day. Look out. What do I want to see on this? I want continuation of the upside. Yeah, I'm gonna need to see some more continuation here. That's what I want. It's at 269. I want it to go to about 273 isn't much higher. Really, we're looking at targets around the 618 bounce of 310 or even as high as 337. I'd love to see that too. That'd be great. So yeah, we're going to stick with EOS USD. That's still looking like a buy. How about Stellar Lumens BTC? You know what? It's not there yet. I'm not interested in this yet. It just hasn't really proven itself. RSI is still very weak. I wouldn't get into this right now. I know other things are rallying, so this might, play a game of catch up, and it's possible, right? It's like, if you're going to gamble, this would be the time to do it with a tight stop. But to me, it's not. I don't want to gamble. I want to have trend moving in that direction before I buy it. So I'm saying stay out for now. Stellar Lumens USD looking very similar. I'd stay out of that one. Rep BTC on the 1 day for Coinbase. Also a sell. Stay out of that. Rep USD at $9.13 is still a sell. Stay out of that. 0x BTC. Okay, 0x. Let's take a look. Oh, nice power move today, but other indicators are lagging, and it's not getting close enough to that 20-day moving average that I'm looking for. So I'm going to say stay out of it. Stay out of it on the USD chart, even though it looks strong. It's getting a hard pullback at 19 cents for 0x. Yeah, I would. Man. This one looks better, to be fair. This one looks better than 0x BTC. So with 0x USD right here, right now, I would say stay out of it. ZEC BTC, maybe tomorrow, right? Maybe tomorrow. All right, ZEC BTC, rally possible soon. And wait a minute, that was not. I thought that was down here. All right, well, anyway. Today we were getting a rally. Let's see what it does. I'm still not in it. Stay out. ZEC USDC. Boy, oh boy, it is close. Indicators are really close. Nah, stay out of it. It just hasn't really pumped. Algo USD. Nah, I'm not a buyer here. Link USD at $1.87. Yeah, I'd stay out of that. We've been out of it. We just try not to get head faked, because it will do that to you. It'll go, woohoo, big day, right? Power move. You buy in, you're super stoked. You love this move because it's going to keep running, right? And you pull your fibs and everything looks great, and your moving averages are about to cross. And then it just spends the next, 9 days dumping on you, and you're like, come on now. Now I want a full trend reversal, so I'm not real interested in this right now. BAT USDC, basic attention token. It hit the wall at the 50 and pulled back. We weren't able to close above it. And I would say this is still a buy, right? And I like where it is. But today, on this candle, we have to overcome that 50, in my opinion. We got to. Still a buy. GNT USDC. Stay out of it. Not looking good. And Mana USDC. Let's check this one out. Mana is trying to get that buyback on the 9. We got close, right? So now, because every day that 9-day moving average moves up, I would say that now, instead of it being here on a buy, you'd move it up to the top right there. So you need this wick to come down and fill your buy, and then of course we would get back in it at that point. But you have to watch it that it doesn't continue dumping, right? So a buyback on the 9 is fine, just like a buyback on the 9 was fine here, and it dumped real hard, but then it recovered and came right back up. So yeah, I mean, this is a profit, right? If you were able to get out anywhere on this wick, say at 0036, and you bought back on the 9 at 031, right? That's a decent pullback scalp, right? That's exactly what we're looking at, scalp. And I need to just circle that. Like, this is buyback on the 9. I think you guys have been following me for a while, know that that's buyback on the 9. That's what that means. So, yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm going to pull out this indicator. Loom, USDC. There you go. I said we could go bullish here, and we haven't. Instead, it just went high and then rolled over. So I'm glad we didn't take the bait on this. I would say stay out of it. I'm going to remove these indicators, and we'll try again, right? These are good. I love leaving notes for myself that say could go bullish, right? Because that is a note to myself of how I felt when I saw this thing pushing real high above the 20 in the middle of the Kumo cloud, uptick in volume above the 9. Like, you know what I mean? You got to leave yourself notes. How do I feel about this? So you can go back and look at it and go, ooh, I'm glad I said it could go bullish, but I didn't buy into it, right? You got to reward yourself with going back on your trades and saying, hey, man, I actually did good there. That was a great decision. Okay, Loom, USDC, stay out of it for now. Civic, USDC is looking nice. Yes, I love this move right here. It came in and closed below. I have got God mode oscillator pumping. You know what? This is going to be a buy. I'm going to say let's do this. I like this one better than all the other ones that I've seen tonight as far as big bullish moves. We just need continuation, so I'm going to leave that there. Leave it in lockdown as a buy today, and we'll see what it does. If you're not in it yet, right? Let's kind of look at this and see what we could see. If you're not in it yet, you never want to pay for the top, right? Because this is today's candle. We just got a new one, but this is just a couple hours old. So what could it do? A good rule of thumb is just pull this out. I mean, you could eyeball it pretty easy, and then just say go to the 50% right there, boom, and then take out your little thing. So we could get a pullback to the 50% range from the tip to the bottom, right? And it almost did. So this is actually looking in a nice this would be a decent place to buy, especially on this downtrend 20-day moving average. It might not dip below that. So I like what I see here. This is a good entry point. So yeah, I would say get in. It's possible that it could pull down to the 9, but once it gets above that 20 and wants to live and breathe above it, it might be wanting to really stay there and move higher rather than backtest. And it might later backtest the 9 once it gets far enough away from the 20. All right, that's it for today, guys. Do we have anything else? That's Civic. Oh, let's look at DNT. DNT is indicators. Help me. Ooh, wow. Okay, wow. Big bullish move today on that one too. Okay, and this one pulled back real hard. So, yeah, I would get this. I'd get this right now. I'd be all right with that. We'll see. You need some continuation because you're buying on a pullback, right? But that would be really great. So tomorrow, hopefully, it'll reward you with some higher prices, pushing higher. But it's got to help. These indicators have got to start rolling back up. RSI especially needs to start rolling up higher and taking control. We need bulls to take control on this. I'm going to switch this over to a buy. Now be cautious on this. Don't let it dump on you and make you look like an idiot. So you can either set stops or just sometimes I don't set a stop. I'll just, because I hate wicks, right? Wicks will just rip your face off. But sometimes I'll just be super obsessive about it for a while until I see it get back into a more bullish control zone. And I'll just be checking it constantly. Okay. All right. That's it for today, guys. God bless you. Hope your day is going super well. And you're trading also. If you're on the fence about anything here, or you have thoughts on coins that you got into, man, share your thoughts on that. I'd be interested to see if you got into something that I didn't, right? Everything I got into is basically in green. Right here, we've got Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, BAT, and DNT. If you got into, this is Coinbase Prime, by the way. This is a Coinbase chart. If you're in some other coin at Coinbase that I've looked at, that you're looking at a different angle, right? You're just like, oh, I don't use those moving averages. I use something else. I use this indicator. I'm curious, how does it look to you? All right, talk to y'all later, and I'm out. See ya.